Here I'm going to be demonstrating a quick tutorial on how to achieve a nice stylized PBR look within Quixel's suite in Dido. This is how I achieved my Hellhammer axe. The first thing I need to do is create a clean layer. We won't be creating any smart materials for this look and want to keep the information minimal for the stylized aesthetic. Once I have the clean layer, I go into the material selection and search for broad strokes. This is essentially a tiling texture with scattered brush strokes. You'll see that it envelops the entire model when applied and seems a little too intense, so I could bring the texture intensity down with the slider. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I can continue to add another layer. This layer will be our cavity darkness texture to really bring out the scratches and dents. Quixel has a bunch of preset dynamasks and I just have to select cavities and it will attempt to recognize them all from our initial baked maps, such as the normal map. Once done, I will repeat this step for a highlighted edges texture on another layer. I'll go into the dynamask selection once again and select edges. Be sure to set the cavity map color to black and the edges map to white to really bring out the information. If you press C, you can see your vertex colors map, so we know where we want certain textures to be. On a clean layer, I am creating the steel blade portion. The small square box allows me to assign the material to the unique vertex color. Now it is just a case of manually adjusting the metalness and roughness sliders until I get a nice shimmer bouncing from the light. Now to create the stone hammer center using the same steps. However, because this entire area is assigned to one vertex color, I need to remove areas of it in order to be able to have a separate material, such as metal, on different pieces. By going into the dynamask and removing or painting black along these sections, I stop the stone texture from reading onto here. Now, with a new brassy material on a new layer, if I place the layer underneath the stone and assign it to the same vertex channel, you'll see how the masks work around each other because of the manual painting. Here I am doing the same trick for the golden emblem. This is essentially the bulk of the pipeline, aside from manual adjustments of the edge highlight layer and so on. It's very quick and very effective. Here is the final Quixel asset ready to be lit and rendered in Marmoset. I've attached the two screenshots so you can see the different render response between 3Do's engine and Marmoset's.